Hi crochet lover, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are hooking up a stylish and adorable crochet keychains ideas. Get ready to create a unique and functional accessories. In this video we will be making a stylish themed crochet keychains ideas using yarn and techniques. Learn how to crochet these cute keychains to add a personal touch to your keys. First, let's start with the foundation chain. We will be using a multiple of number and stitches. Now let's add the personal textures and patterns. Now we will be using a combination of single crochet stitches and double crochet stitches. Using a stitch maker to keep track of your place in the pattern. Experiment with different yarn, color and embellishment to create a unique and stylish keychain, and you decor your keychain with the help of different stones, bunches, flowers, beads, pearls and many different accessories you use and decor your keychain easily. And that's it, your crochet keychain is complete and ready to use. If you want more information about all the collections, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. You see in this video many different style and different ideas such as crochet keychain, flowers, crochet keychain, different cartoon characters and different flowers and many other ideas. You visit my more different ideas and watch my more different details videos, different DIY tutorials and many different ideas. If you want more information about all the collections, so please tell me in comment section. I will upload it next video about your comment. I will upload a full DIY tutorial for you and full detailed video for you. If you want to buy this, you visit many different websites such as daraz.pk, AliExpress, Etsy.com, Clicky and my official website BePattern. You visit and order your favorite design, order your favorite ideas, order your favorite keychain designs and ideas. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to let my daily routine videos that I upload daily for you. For more crochet ideas and different tutorial and different collection, share your finished crochet keychains with us on social media account using hashtag. Check out our next new video for more crochet accessories and home decor and different ideas, different ladies dresses, different ideas. Happy hooking. We will be see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. And if you want more information, so please do not forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos and share with your friends, relative, customers and crochet work experts and others. Okay viewers, take care. Bye bye.